lovies, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been such a long time. As you all may know or may not know, Makeup Shayla, who is one of my favorite YouTubers, favorite influencers. This is her second collaboration with ColourPop, and she has put together some cute little stuff for us. So let me show you. Let me get down here. I got it down here. Yeah. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to show you guys the new Makeup Shayla X ColourPop collection. This is going to slide to the right. Look how pretty. So this is one of her lip combinations. It's called Speed Up, but it's like a pinky shade. It's really pretty. It's a pinky nude. Comes with the BFF3 ColourPop lip pencil. For this combination, oh, I didn't show you. It's called Slow Down. You can see that, Slow Down. And this combination has the BFF4 pencil, and this is something that Shayla actually created herself. And it's kind of like a peachy nude color. I don't know, my favorite. Peachy nude is my favorite nude lip. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. And then we have, well, I'm going to save the best for last because you guys know what I love. Well, some of you know what I love. My name, it says it all in my name. Kishispirit, iMakeup. Say it with me. Kishispirit, iMakeup. Did you really say it with me? I don't think you did. Rewind it. Rewind it. So then we have the Proceed with Caution Pressed Powder Blush. My nails are just being destroyed. Destroyed. Construct is kind of like a bronzy, rosy color. Super pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Love it. Then we have Whistle While You Work, and this is like a pinky shade. But look how gorgeous. Wait, I wish you guys can see the way I see it. It's a little lighter on the camera, but it's super pretty. I don't know how to describe. I don't know what to tell you. It's freaking gorgeous. Okay. And last but not least, well, last, I guess, because it is the last thing in this palette, in this collection that I'm showing you, is the palette, and it is called Proceed with Caution. It has these really nice summer, fallish colors, so we can just transition right into fall. Nice. It's nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the look. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation today. I like to use a brush like this and go in and do like my foundation on my forehead. So I'll just like dab it there. Going with the number 6 brush by It's My Raye. See, it's very fluffy. Yes, I still have this on. And I'm gonna go in with Culture right here. Go in my crease. I'm going to take this Jaclyn Heel JH30 brush. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this out some more. Big fluffy brushes are perfect for crease blending. Like, now I'm going to take this Jaclyn Heel J33 brush. It's just like a little crease brush for blending, and I'm going to take Maintenance right here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to take Maintenance, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. Now I have kind of like a cat eye shape, so I always try to accentuate like my cat eye shape. Ooh, this color is pretty. I knew it was pretty, but I didn't know it was this pretty. And just, I like to pat my shadows on there before I blend. I like to get the color concentrated and then blend it out. So this is the M224 brush. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base, dab it on the top, and put right there, open my lid, and that just kind of helps place, like, so you don't have transferred shadow up there. It just kind of helps place where you want your cut crease. Now I have to get quiet on this part. I'm sorry. You can't tell me nothing. I'm cute. Take your first blender brush that has the transition. I mean, it probably doesn't have anything on it now, but you just take your transition brush and just blend up there where your transition is. So that's seamless and it's not like a complete line of demarcation up there. Just blend it lightly so you don't mess up your shimmer. And you may have to like go back and forth and do that after, you know, other applications. But I mean, can we talk about, ooh, I'm so here for this. I feel like I've done a look like this with my Raye palette, but I love these sunset looks. I love them. I love them a lot. You're beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take my foundation and this is where the blender comes in. I'm so thirsty. I need some water. You know, hydration is the key to good skin. You see that highlight? I don't have no highlighter. It's called hydration and keto. Speaking of glow, I will add some MAC strobe cream to my face and my highlighted areas. What the what? That is a waste of product, Keisha. Squeeze back in there. Squeeze back in there. OMG. Oh, jeez. Leave it to me. Oh, I forgot I put foundation up there. Let's just dab. We'll just dab. Okay. Oh, these cheeks is about to be glowing, honey. This is the Morphe sponge. Okay. You start in the middle of the face and you just work your way out. I don't like the way this sounds. Ooh, look at that glow though, honey. Yes. Oh God, this sound is annoying. Oh my gosh. Ew. This is like my perfect shade. I have not found a shade more perfect than Fenty 390. Push it in, push it in. Now I feel like my eyes need to take me on a date because I look cute. These eyes is bomb. Now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Again, my Fenty Beauty concealer. was caught up in physical attraction, much to my satisfaction. Baby, you are more than just a friend, and if I Okay, now I'm going to take my sponge again, it's damped once again, and I'm going to blend my concealer. Just lightly tap the under eye. This nose ought to be snatched today. You know, I will say though that this sponge is pretty bomb. Like, my beauty blender does not blend out my concealer this well. And this concealer in particular. Whew. Lord, that is a job. I'm trying to get myself a forehead. I actually have a forehead. I'm trying to get myself a 5 head. Oh, can we talk about this sponge? Okay, I am getting snatched over here. Yes, yes. Let me go back over with my foundation or whatever. You just take this side that you used foundation and you just blend that. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, hope I don't spill it, Fenty Beauty in the shade, let me close this back up because your girl's going to spill it, in the shade Honey. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to set my concealer in my face. So I'm going to take my poof, this little Laura Mercier poof. I think they just like fold it in like so, and then they just okay, I don't like this technique. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my Morphe sponge now, carve out my cheeks. Ooh, this is fabulous. Contour brush, and we're going to take Construct. Ooh, yes, honey. Ooh, I'm so here for this. Your lashes look fuller. Oh yeah, one day I do plan on doing a video that's all me being British. I always wanted to be British when I grew up. Good and cold.